Okay, so this first song is to counter the voice of self-doubt in your mind. By virtue of existence, your existence is wanted. You are loved. You are loved. And so this song is about that. And it is called Noise Inside. And the beat is by Jonas. And it's sped up a little bit, so it's going to sound a bit... So forgive me. But yes, Noise Inside. First draft. You're so loved, you're so loved, you're so loved, 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 loved. Just 'cause they plant these seeds inside your